welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and I'm going to make a card today using Watercolour Words again because I just loved it, and I'm going to use two of my favourite inks, Perfect Plum and Wisteria Wonder, both of which are retiring, but there are going to be two similar colours coming in. There's something grape coming in and something heather, I think, I'm not sure. We'll find out sooner or later. Right, what I thought I'm going to do today is I'm going to print my own DSP using these two colours. And I'm going to use this flower and this heart. And I'm also going to use this petal here. And you're the best is going to be my sentiment. I'm going to start off with the flower, which I'm going to do in the Wisteria Wonder. And now this is going to make our gift bag. Now our gift bag is going to be more like a box than a bag. So it's going to be 4 inches high, and it's going to be 3 inches. No, it's going to be 4 inches wide and 5 inches high, or 6 inches high, and then it's going to be 1.5 inches deep. Okay, so that's so looking at 6, 7.5 by 1.5, 1.5. That's 3, 8. That's 11, and then you need another half by 11.5. So 7.5. By 11.5, and then we're going to just score it, so it wants scoring. Decide which is going to be your top and which is going to be your bottom. So on the short side then needs scoring at 6, and on the long side it needs scoring at this. I want this to be the back, so that'll be 4. 4, 5.5, 9.5, 11, and then you've got the 1/2 inch on the end. Okay, so when it wraps around, that will be round the back, the join. Okay, now one of these sections, so this is our front piece. I really want to cut out a window here, and I wanted that window to be an oval, so I want to cut that out. But of course this is too wide to go in the big shot, so what we'll do, we'll just fold this piece under, okay, and then it'll fit in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to burnish the bottom first. Okay, and then I'm going to get that so it's just sitting above that piece. Okay, let's just I'm going to save that for something else. And now I'm going to get a piece of vellum. I'm just going to cut it so that it's big enough to cover the inside, just of the inside of that box. So that's 4 by 6. So if we just cut a piece down to 5 3/4 and 3 3/4, we know that's gonna fit. Now what I want to do with this piece of vellum is I want to stamp on it, and I'm going to stamp on it using the Perfect Plum with the heart. But I want to stamp off. Now this is where I decide whether I'm going to use the stamp side, or really go for muted effect and use the wrong side altogether. Now I'm going to use this side. I love snail. The only problem is it doesn't last long enough. I wish you could get like super snail. It doesn't matter as long as that's inside there. That's what matters. Okay. Now you can burnish all the rest of the score lines. And then you just want to cut this thin slither here at this end. You can just cut that off and cut it down, and then cut this piece away. That bit's gone. And then just cut up the remaining 3 score lines. And you can trim in if you want a little bit. I'm just cutting out that the remnants from the burnishing. Just make it even. And now you can assemble the box, the bag. I'm just going to run snail down there and fold it together. And then I'm just going to pop, I want my last one to close last, so I'm just going to pop snail on these 2 tabs. down, and then I'm just going to pop it across right across the back. Get the bone folder and press it down, and then I'm just going to squeeze these corners in like so, and that'll just give us this bit of shape in the side. Now I'm just going to first of all get some Perfect Plum cardstock to make a backing for this. Oh no, I'm not. I've got Wisteria Wonder instead. I'm just gonna, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna offset it like so. Use a couple of dimensionals. And just kind of get those together, but not quite like so. And then punch a hole through. Now I do have my crocodile, but I think I should be able to get through using this. Is I've just put 2 holes through each side. Just gonna two holes through each side, and then a hole through the top. Okay, and then that's going to be filled with wax melts, and then that's going to come at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to get some ribbon. Don't know if that ribbon is continuing. I'll have a look in a minute, because if it isn't, it's worth grabbing some, because it's a really versatile little ribbon, that. And there you have it. Really cute gift box there. Just move this all out of the way so you can see it. Using the Watercolour Words stamp set, and it's got that little touch of vellum there. I mean, if you wanted, you could edge that with something with a different colour. You could pop pearls around it or something if you want it to be really special. But yeah, it's a really cute gift bag. Thanks for watching, and join me soon. I'm going to be using this set more because I absolutely love it.